Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bonson. I have a history of working in high-tech corporations, Microsoft, CAE, Caterpillar. Most of those were in research and development, creating new manufacturing processes, drone technologies, and mobile technologies. I have a passion for the ocean. I have a passion for reefs. Now, here's the problem. Our reefs are threatened. Some of the causes of that are climate change, which basically means warmer water leading to bleaching. Water quality from pollution, which causes pH changes, leading to acidification. Fertilizers lead to extra algae blooms and sediment, and invasive species like the lionfish that, summary, they overeat the native population and destroy the fragile ecosystem of the reef. We all want to save the reefs, but what do we do? How do we do it? Well, let me tell you, these are mostly human activities that are part of the problem. Quite frankly, human activities and the use of new technologies need to be part of the solution. Well, I thought of a solution. That solution is the AquaHive. What is it? Well, solutions that are modeled after nature seem to be the best. AquaHive, think of a beehive full of drones that go out into the world, do their tasks, and report back at the end of the day to the hive. That same idea, instead of bee drones, we have battery-powered underwater drones. They perform surveillance, meaning they do real-time water quality measurements. They do scans using photos as well as LiDAR and underwater terrain. They can do identification, such as if there's pollution that's found on the floor, trash, on the seabed, and it can have an arm where it can retrieve that and bring it back to the hive for waste removal, keeping the ocean clean. Scans that are made and stored can also identify fish species, doing near real-time census counts, so we can track where we are now and where we are in the future. This includes identification and geolocation of invasive species, like the lionfish, causing destruction of the reefs. An invasive species capture drone that can be dispatched and to provide ethical harvesting of the lionfish. This can be sold to fish markets and make revenue, buy more drones. When their work is done, the drone goes back, data is relayed back to the AquaHive. Basically, it's a tethered buoy type barge that's equipped with solar panels and optional windmills that store the underwater drones. Like a beehive, the AquaHive is a home for shelter and nourishment, in this case clean energy production, charging large battery banks, which in turn charge the small replaceable ones that are used by the drones. When they get low, they go back to home. They go back to the AquaHive, exchange their battery packs, get plugged back in, and return to doing their work. Envision tasks of these swarms of drones working 24/7, water quality surveillance and treatment, real-time fish counts and habitat documentation, invasive species protection. Human activities cause the problem. Now human activities and new technologies will fix it.